What's up, everyone? KFC here, and I'm here with the Hampton Bay Rockport. This is installed in my sister-in-law's house. Don't know what year it's from.
I'm here. Oh, there you go. Let me pull out my tax, my trusty tax.
This is low speed. Swing. It's not swinging, I don't think. I think I just hit the chain. It's a okay low speed. Let's go to medium speed. Not really getting any airflow, even from the long down ride. I get some when I step right under it though. It's a wobble to it.
That shit fell on the seat.
What? You dropped a chick on? I said a chick. A tip on the dog. As you can see, it does wobble. Still not really getting no airflow from it. Only if you're right under it. And it's barely a breeze. I don't really recommend these, but yeah. Thank y'all for watching.